Hey folks, Brian here with EMF Protection. Today we're going to look at how to run internet through your electrical wires versus using Wi-Fi. So in this case you'll be able to turn off the Wi-Fi and still use your same router equipment. So you take your router and you plug in an Ethernet cable, and then in that same room you'll have an outlet close by. Take this device, which I'll talk about in a moment, plug that in, plug that into the wall. So you're going to get two of these when you order these D-Link units, which again I'll go over in a second. You get two in a pack. So you're going to take your second one, and I have a laptop computer here. So wherever you are in your house, irrespective of where the router is, you plug in another Ethernet cable into your computer Ethernet port. You take your second box from D-Link, plug that into a wall, set your laptop to airplane mode, and now you have a Wi-Fi free internet connection. So let's go over the three devices that I have here. So I've shown you this smaller one here, and this is considered the slowest speed. So in my home we have anywhere from 3 to 5 people working on computers, and the Wi-Fi is shut off. So this one would not work for us. It just slows and bogs things down too much. So you can step it up. So I think the rating is, this is a 500, I don't know what the measurement is, but when you search it, say at Staples or Amazon, it's a 500 rating. So then you've got 1,000, and this one's is unique. It's nice. I like it. It has the 3-prong, which is much better. It gives you on the faceplate, instead of removing a wall outlet from your access, it gives it back to you by having it in the faceplate. And you have 2 Ethernet connections. So if you were into a room where you had more than one device and you didn't want to buy a secondary splitter box, then you have 2 connections here, which is really good. And then the fastest speed, this one is ranked 2000 or rated 2000. It has 1 port. It has the 3 prongs. It does not have, sadly, it does not have the additional plug-in. What we found is that with 3 to 5 people in the house, this has been the best one. And if a person has either of these in the house and one of those is plugged in, it will slow everything down to the slowest speed. So everybody should have this version. So you would have 2 or 3 people using these in the house where they need them, and then try to wire in directly from your device to this port. Doing that just means you're going to have wires running through the house. Now, two other things to go over here before we're done. When you go to the store or when you go online and you see these, you'll see similar versions, which will still be D-Link. They'll still be the same power ratings, but they'll have ears on them. If you see ears on them, avoid. Those are wireless antennas. So the point of this video is to support you to get off the Wi-Fi and to turn every device you have on airplane mode so that you don't have to deal with the continuous Wi-Fi exposure and still get, with this device, really good speeds. And lastly, from what I've heard is there's an element of dirty electricity produced by these. So I suggest that you unplug them in between use. And you could also use dirty electricity filters in the same leg that you're plugging these into. We have more on our website that discusses those. Now you can use them without the dirty electricity filters. They'll work. For people who are affected by dirty electricity or concerned and want to know more, let us know and we can support you in that endeavor. Thank you for watching.